Hello folks, it's me Kushit Roy and you are watching NoishiXzen. So in this video we're going to talk about CW screen recorder from Codeware application. So previous days my subscribers are also asking for this project and the tutorial. So in this series we're going to talk about more projects and helping guide about Sketchware Professional and other things like other implementations in Android Studio also. So let's get started. Have a look on CW screen recorder first. So here the screen recorder, you can see you can choose the desired settings like resolution, frame rate, bit rate, output format, also encoder and audio sources. So just press the start recording and it gives you some pop-up message and recording is started. So you can see there's one notification with the icon of the microphone and you can also stop this recording. So let me give you some overlook first. So now stop this recording and now let's see where's the recording. So in this movies CW screen recorder you can see. So let me short it first, image first and play this mp4 file. So you can see the screen recorder is working fine. So how we can create it on Sketchware? So first you need some libraries and because it requires some libraries from Android Studio, and you will also need the Sketchware Professional with 6.3.0 with the fixed one. So let's open this project. You can see I already opened over here, and here is the one main activity and there's no custom activity. So here you can see there are desired options with the spinner and one button one. So first we need to see the library. So what we have imported, like the listeners of the recorder listeners you can see, and also the recorder null means stop and start, the library both stop and start. Then on activity create we put the string variable to read file path because we need to save it same directory or like get public directory like movies and save to CW recorder. Then we have this listener like HV recorder listener to this that we have imported like the library. Then also the movie text to back through to stop recording or else start the recording, some conditions and also some radius and the spinner values. So in this button one, when we have click, it means like if recorder equals null, then this is a busy obviously, and then to a task like stop this recording or else start it. And in this more block you get this shape radius, you already know about shape. And the setup spinner you have this kind of video resolution subgroups and groups with the different resolution text and also the bitrate, everything you have in the spinner section. And here is the here are the two triggers like start recording and stop recording. So here's the switch and spinners, you will get everything in this project. And you need to pick these two components. First one is speech to text, means it records your current vocals, and then second one is the file picker to confirm your location path. So that's all about screen recorder, and you will get this project from my description. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, you will find my channel over there. It's with my name. You can subscribe, you get best contents about Sketchware. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoying. If you get any problems you can free to ask in my sections or you can also mail me. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay cool.